This is my General Electric fan. It's the General Electric automatic twin window fan. I got it on the side. Got it in the trash pile behind some alleyways. I was walking by some alley. I was walking down the street and I happened to look through down an alleyway and I saw this distant trash pile. And I thought, hey, maybe I'll go check that out. And I did, and sure enough, the fan was there. And the cabinet wasn't as good as safe as it was. The cabinet was really rusty. So I had to sand it down and repaint it. And also the little rubber blade up that goes up there is dry rotted. And I couldn't save it, so I had to fix it with JB Weld. And it works nice and well now. It's a very nice fan. The handle is my little work because the original handle was rubber, but it was all dry rotted. On the let's use it better. There's some General Electric bar motors. You know, the motors are single bearing or unit bearing, which means it's one long bearing instead of two smaller ones. I'm going to start it up. First since General Electric goes on low, first I'm going to start off on low and work way through high, then shut it down and go from high to low. So here's let it get up to speed. That whistling noise is the winding sound. These General Electric box fans of the unit bearing motors have that winding sound. It's resonating from the winding, and I know Spat's Bear and Harley Badger both like that noise. And now to medium. And now I'm going to switch it to high. See, the air blowing is blowing with slow articulate. That little articulate better. Now off. Now I'm gonna started up from high. Medium. And low. Off.